ลูกสาวที่เป็นฝรั่งเนี่ยเขาเกิดที่นี่เขาจะมาสอนยายเคพูดคำนี้ค่ะดูซิว่าเขาจะทำสำเร็จไหมเพราะยายเคเนี่ยพยายามมาหลายร้อยครั้งแล้วก็ยังออกเสียงไม่ถูกต้องค่ะลูกฝรั่งจะมาสอนแม่คนไทยให้ออกเสียงคำว่า fork เนี่ย
สวัสดีค่ะ
or จะได้ไหมเนี่ยวันเนี้ย o right
It's just
o
and then add a soft R
o
You don't have or yes or
okay o
You don't have to go like You just have to or
you say it
or yeah
ถูกไหม right
or okay
or
Now do orc
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 o and k ล่ะ
orc
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 ไหม
yeah good
โอเคอะไรนะโอเค orc
orc
right
Just add fork
fork
Try not to do anything with your lips
fork
yeah
fork ถูกไหม
Sounds bad
I don't know I
You
try
have to keep the O sound
orc
Yeah fork Not fork Fork
fork
That's better
you put orc and then put F on front fork
Yeah orc and
Orc.
then Fork
orc oh yeah fork
Fork
many time
Fork
fork okay
Fork
fork f
O or
k
fork
ได้ไหม
It's close yeah
I have to make it
Can you say the number 4
number 4
Yeah 4
number fork ฮะ
Yeah
ต้องไหม
Yeah you keep that sound with the 4
okay
but you add-
okay
There's 2 different letters
fork
Yeah.
fork ฮะ
That's close yeah that's close
okay
That's pretty good
number 4 right fork
Yeah but don't do g at the end
not
it's
too
just,
much not too
Yeah
much
you know,
okay
it's just a K
okay I'm start fork
Yeah but shorten the R sound Just fork
fork fork
Yeah that was good
fork no
Don't forget the R
fork
Yes Yes I get it
Give me 5 okay one more time
Be bad
I have been thinking about 4 right 4 number 4
Yeah 4
fork
Yes
okay why don't you tell me before a long time many years
She told you that too Fork
fork
Yes fork
no
No
I have to start
Fork.
I said I have been thinking about number 4 like you said
Yeah because when you do it your mouth is like an O
okay
Fork.
okay fork huh
Yeah.
get it okay
Fork.
one more time number 4 fork no
Yes no that's good
fork
Don't
number
forget-
4
Yeah don't forget the R though it's not folk You have to the R
how you put the R on or
Yeah
fork
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 Yeah
pretty close okay one more time oh good job fork I have too much right do I have too
No
much
it's like a little bit too much but it's not the issue
okay
Fork
Yeah okay
Try to shorten it now
short with one
Shorten the whole word just say fork
fork why different
Fork
Yeah
that's good
fork
You forget when you forget the R it sounds more like
fork
Fuck. It's fork. Or you make an O
Or.
with your mouth.
Or.
Or.
or
Or. Not or. You just keep your
or
jaw relaxed.
okay or
Yeah. Or.
fork มันเป็นอะไรวะเด็ดมีนิ่งเด็ด
This
เล
is-
ยเด็ด for
Yeah.
fork
Yes.
ฮะ
Yes.
really
Yes. Keep that.
oh
This.
this okay this this is a fork
Is a fork.
this is a fork
Yes.
ฮะ เอาล่ะ thank you teacher ขอบคุณมากค่ะ เกือบตาย